How your brain learns English, the science of language learning. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Smart English Start. Have you ever wondered how your brain actually learns a new language? Why do some people learn English quickly while others struggle for years? In this video, we're diving into the science of language learning and how you can train your brain to learn English faster and more effectively. How your brain learns a language. When you learn English, your brain builds new connections between neurons. This process is called neuroplasticity. The more you practice, the stronger these connections become. If you stop using English, these connections weaken. But don't worry, there are scientifically proven ways to make English learning easier. Step number 1, make English part of your daily life. Your brain learns best when you're surrounded by the language. Listen to English podcasts while walking. Change your phone's language to English. Think in English as much as possible. The more exposure, the faster your brain adapts. Step number 2, use spaced repetition to remember words. Ever learned a new word and forgot it the next day? That's because your brain needs repeated exposure. Try the spaced repetition method. Review new words after 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, and 14 days. Use flashcard apps like Anki or Quizlet. AI can help you track and review words at the right time. Step number 3, learn English with emotion. Did you know that emotional experiences make memories stronger? Watch movies that make you laugh or cry. Read stories that make you feel something. Practice conversations that are meaningful to you. The more emotions involved, the easier it is to remember. Step number 4, sleep and exercise for faster learning. Your brain processes new information while you sleep. Study before bed to improve memory. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, making learning easier. Even a 10-minute walk before studying can help. Challenge. Try these brain hacks today. Pick one of these techniques and use it today. Let me know in the comments which one you tried. Learning English is not just about studying, it's about training your brain the right way. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.